Alright, so, hey guys, I realized I hadn't made a video in 3 months, and it doesn't really matter because almost no one actually watches my channel, but for the few people that do watch my channel, I figured I would stop being a jerk and make one quick video really fast. I do have videos in the works right now. I've got like 5 of my regular videos, but I figured I'd do a try not to laugh challenge just really quickly. And I'm holding my microphone up to my face so you'll know if I laugh. I'm sorry I don't have a camera to do like what most YouTubers do when they are videotaping their face as well, so you can obviously see that they're laughing. But I have my microphone right up to my face, and I'm not good at stifling laughs, so you'll know if I'm laughing or not. Anyway, I do have normal videos in the works. This is just something really quick that I decided to make to say sorry for not having a video for 3 months. So, for the couple people who watch my channel, here it is. I'd like to point out also that this video was made by a person named F2. So it's like after, but with a W on the end, I guess. Oh, there's their logo. So, yeah, this is not my video. What was that? Why did they... Okay, what's this kid doing? Oh, this song.
You what?
That almost got me.
You've seen it not on camera, but it is really high and slipping here. That's why a good
One of them's gonna fall. One of them's gonna fall. One of them's gonna fall. Oh, both of them fell. Okay.
Cody! 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 Cody!
I'm not sure how to respond to that. Oh, that's really good.
Watch this.
That's pretty cool.
You see, Jimmy. Jim, James. Son, let me tell you a little bit about rockets. They're big people things, son. You just can't go around playing with big people, fiery, flying, things. Because that's what rockets are. Rockets are flying things. Well, I hope this talk has helped.
Okay, that one got me. I've already lost, but...
I guess boys, where we going?
What?
Boys will be boys.
What is this? What is he doing?
Boys.
Is this a video of him throwing things around?
Boys will be boys. Boys will be boys. Boys will be boys. Boys will be boys.
What is it with people in banana costumes?
Oh, not like that! You're not.
I didn't expect that to
Tennis ball,
happen.
throw it against the wall. Tennis ball, throw it against the wall. Bounce, 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 bounce. Tennis ball, throw it against the wall. Tennis ball, throw it against the wall. Tennis ball, throw it against the wall. Helps me forget about my cancer.
You will never escape the ice chamber. That's not what you think, Dr. Eggman.
What the?
Trick or treat!
Trick.
Don't call me horse. I'm a unicorn, mystical, magical, mysterious, fun-playing, got wings like Pegasus, and a nice white coat and great wishes, and prance in the race. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. That's a unicorn.
Chicken?
Are you sober now?
No, I'm never, but I'm going to,
Look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out! Oh my God!
Finally. Ugh. Hey, who's got my hat?
Someone I'm a demon, you assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get.
What? What?
What is that? Alright, I'm gonna put a noise warning on this video just because of that. And that sound is annoying.
Finn!
Give me the french fries. No, I don't want.
Wow. Good job. I've seen that kind of fish before.
Unrecognized talent. Please start after the.
Oh.
Give me the soda.
Have a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. It was like an amusement park ride. It was like riding the fun coaster in Funland. It was a hot fun Sunday. Fun, 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 fun.
Mmm, tater tots!
What?
It's melting! My precious power ring gone forever!
Max, hey, I brought you a present for being such a good boy. Guess what? It's an iPod Touch.
This better be a generation.
It's
I need to read the box. 16 gigabyte. I wanted 64.
Okay, this kid is a brat.
No, I don't want that.
One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, not a phase fish.
Am I talking to me?
Ohayo gozaimasu.
He's watching Lazy Town.
We were at the zoo one day, and we were looking at the monkey exhibit, and we said, oh, that monkey looks good. And then we took you home.
There's gonna be something really weird at the end, I guarantee.
It's free real estate.
It's free real estate.
Hey, we're not talking about this or this. We're talking about this.
No, I'm shaped more like a chicken.
You what?
Body powder that you can spray? What could be next? Skin. I nurture my skin. No, tell everyone. Do the gold bond tingle. I nurture my skin. Foot powder spray. I nurture my skin. Gold bond. No, tell everyone. I get supple. I nurture my skin. Stay cool. Gold bond. No, tell everyone. I get supple. Man up. I nurture my skin. Gold bond. Man
How
up.
long is this?
Man up. I nurture my skin. I get supple. No. Man up. Man up. I nurture my skin. Man up. No. Stay cool. Man up. I nurture my skin. Go by. Man up. No. Go by. Body powder that you can go by.
I get it. Ogres are onions.
No!
Oh, it's a bird. What's this? What is it doing?
Huh?
Oh!
Okay. Recent polls have shown a fifth of Americans can't locate the U.S. on a world map. Why do you think this is?
I personally believe that U.S. Americans are unable to do so because some people out there in our nation don't have maps, and I believe that our education, like such as in South Africa and the Iraq, everywhere like such as, and I believe that they should, our education over here in the U.S. should help the U.S. or should help South Africa and
What?
should help the Iraq and the Asian countries, so we will be able to build up our future.
What is she talking about?
Thank you
One
very
second
much,
she was
South
talking about
Carolina.
maps, and next, okay.
Monkey!
Monkey. Oh, the dog wants to be invited. Alright, so that was a try not to laugh challenge that I did just because I haven't put out a video in 3 months. So for like the 2 people that watch my channel, I hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, I have more videos on the way. Hopefully they'll be coming out soon. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you enjoy those ones. Alright,